I'm getting ready to start 2 new builds that I want to share with you, and the neat thing about one of the builds is I am only going to use these 2 paint brushes to do the painting on one of the builds. That little skinny one and the one that's a little bit fatter. You see them there? It's going to be a challenge. It's a challenge I want to do, and then I'm going to have the audacity to try to take that model to model contests, hand painted with those 2 paint brushes, and see if I can win an award. We'll see what I can do. I'll get into what these 2 kits are. I should give you an update on my model bench. I'm going to take a little break on my kits that are behind me here. The Tyrone Malone haulers, the Super Boss truck, and the Hideout truck, and my Rat Fink tribute truck, Big Daddy Ed Roth, which I am going to show my wood burnings that I had signed from Big Daddy himself at a car show many years ago. I'm going to show those sometime. A lot of you guys had commented in the last video you want to see them, but I'm going to get them. I'm going to put them to the side and get a little burnout on them, a little frustrated. A few of the things aren't fitting right, and instead of just kind of boxing them up, I'm going to push them to the side and get started on these 2 kits. And what they are, it's the Revell 68 Dodge Dart for the USACC Group Build. USACC stands for United Scale Automotive Content Creators Group Build, USACC GB. Officially going to start this thing. I should have started it many months ago. This group build is due, I think, about the middle of March. I'm not exactly sure, somewhere around there. But I've got maybe a month to do this. This is about the middle of February. And like I said, I'm going to try to do 2 of them. One of them is going to be only hand painted like I'm in grade school with those 2 paint brushes. And like I said, I'm going to have the audacity to try to enter this thing in model contests for the upcoming year. And we're going to follow that build and see how well I do and see if I can win any awards with a hand-painted paintbrush on a model. Here's an idea of how I'm going to do the first one, a little bit of a diorama scene, an old junkyard car. And the second one, I'm not sure. Like I said, I want to do 2 of them. It's going to be a monumental task that I'm going to try. You guys got to see if I can even do this. Get 2 of them done in less than a month, or right at a month. The second one, I don't know what I'm going to do yet. Maybe a race car. I don't know. I keep wanting to do a wall diorama. What I mean by a wall diorama is something I can hang up on the wall versus taking up shelf space. So I don't know if I'm going to do a wall diorama or a race car on the second one, or maybe a street freak or a gasser. I've already built a drag car version of it. It's this one right here. That's a picture of it sitting in a display case. I built that many years ago. So I've already done a drag version of the Dart. So I may not do another drag version, but I don't know. It's up in the air on the second one. But the first one's definitely going to be an old derelict one sitting in the junkyard. And like I said, I'm only going to use those 2 paint brushes to paint the whole entire thing, interior, exterior, everything. I got some ground cover here that I've picked up. I'm dropping my models. Got some ground cover I'm going to play with. And I also picked up, I don't have it here, some other ground cover. But I got some green tree. But I'm going to try some ground cover, try my hand at that, and see what I can do. Maybe an old tree sitting next to it or something. But just kind of play around with this diorama and have fun with it, because that's what it's all about. So tune in, see if I can get these done. Then I can get back on my 3 haulers. I got to finish them up. I'm not boxing them things up. I'm too far along. I mean, they're ready to roll. We'll see you guys on the next video on Throttle Power.